Hi CoolWiFiKidz, welcome to episode 4. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at signal strength compared to last week looking at gigahertz and just signal.
We're gonna check out our Wi-Fi signal strength on an app called WiFiman. Now, if you want to get this app, you would go on either Play Store or App Store, and you would search up WiFiman. It has a blue background, and it has a man with a Wi-Fi symbol.
Well, in our experiment, we used 3 different devices with WiFiman on it. We used an iPad, an iPhone, and a Google Pixel. The iPad was an older model, so it could only have 2-band capability. So we only did 5 gigahertz on that one. But the other 2, we had 3-band capability, so we could use 6 gigahertz. So as you can see, these are the results of the experiment. On the left side, there's the iPad screen. In the middle, there's the iPhone screen. And on the right-hand side, there's the Google Pixel screen.
As you can see on the scale, it has -20 and -90. But which one is better?
Well, in negative numbers, the lower the number is actually the higher the number. So -20 is bigger than -90. And therefore, -20 is a better signal strength than -90.
So, I have a question because on the iPad screen it says 5 gigahertz, and also on the phone at the end it says 5 gigahertz. But the signal is different because the signal on the iPad says 24 and the signal on the phone says 26.
Well, that's because each device has a different receiving capability. Just like how humans have different hearing capabilities, the iPad might have a better capability to receive the signal than the Pixel phone. So, as you can see, with the iPad screen, when it starts to move, it can either increase in signal strength or decrease. When it decreases, that's when we're going away from the access point. So right now you can see it's starting to decrease because before it was on like 13, now it's on 33. So we're starting to slowly walk away. Even though 40 and 30 is still excellent signal strength.
But if you were to go like super fast away from the access point, it would go down really fast.
Yeah. And also, because it's 5 gigahertz, it has a longer range than 6 gigahertz, but a shorter range than 2.4 gigahertz. So now as you can see, we're going down to like the 70s. It's not that excellent, but it's still...
It's not terrible.
Yeah, it's not terrible. It's not gonna
But now, as you can see, it's starting to get poor.
Now we're outside of our house and it's at 70, which isn't that good. So now, let's look at the iPhone in the middle.
So, let's just play this.
Yeah. So as you can see, we just were on 20 before, and now it just dropped down to 40 instantly.
Yeah, these ones are sort of going down faster than the big screen one.
Because we're on 6 gigahertz, it has a shorter range. So already 10 seconds in, we're already on 70, which isn't that good.
Yeah.
So we just walked away and it's already like that.
Now it's going down to the poor section.
Yeah, so now we're outside again.
Yeah. Then it got better.
Now it's on 80, which is
it's
4. And then it disconnects.
Yeah, it disconnected.
Okay.
So as you can, and
now let's check
the last
Pixel. So, when it disconnects, when we're too far away, on the phone, sometimes it connects to cellular, which is another connection, sort of, that isn't Wi-Fi.
Yeah. This one.
But it's still wireless. Like, it's
one-
wireless, but not Wi-Fi.
This one
Kind
sort
of like
of.
Bluetooth.
I sort of noticed that this one sort of doesn't change their like colors, so you don't really know who's like full. But as you can like see, as how low it's going,
Yeah, it's
like
getting
it's
lower
probably
and
not going to
lower.
be that great.
And red is like the worst.
Yeah.
And yellow is like okay, moderate, and then green is
Like excellent.
good to go. Good to go.
Yeah. The summary of this week's video is that the further away you are from an access point, the lower signal strength you have, and the lower negative number, the stronger Wi-Fi you have. And even if you go super close to the access point, you only get around negative 30 dPMs. And last thing is that if you go super far away and you're around like minus 85 or minus 80, you probably will get disconnected.
Yeah. That's it for this week's episode. See you next time on Cool Wi-Fi Kids.
Yeah.